Hey guys, it's Josh Gibbons. Welcome back to a new video. If you don't already know, I'm a brand identity designer. If you check out my Instagram in the description, you will see all the work I do over there. And I'm bringing you this video as part of my Amazon FBA journey. So if you're new to the page, I am choosing Amazon FBA as a vehicle, a financial vehicle to start really building up the wealth aspect of my life. So if you didn't know, I want to bring you as much value. So I want to tell you there are 7 areas in life. So you can research this anywhere. Maybe if you weren't already aware of this, I think it's a very, very important thing to know. So there are 7 areas. You've got the health, wealth, business, social, relationships, wisdom, and spirituality. And wealth is going to be developed, and I'm going to focus on wealth through Amazon FBA, obviously, to start with. So, after all of that, let's get into why I'm making this update video. And it is so amazing to tell you this, that I have found my first product. And this is what every Amazon seller is waiting on. This moment is what every seller wants. This kind of epiphany. I spent so many hours every single day doing product research, so many hours on Jungle Scout, on the Amazon platform, so many hours watching videos on how you can find products, because it's the hardest thing really when it comes to Amazon FBA. And then I came across it and I knew, this is it. This is something I can really go at. So, as the latest kind of news, the latest update, right now I am tracking all the different listings of my product. So I'm tracking it, I'm making sure it is good to go into. Now I understand it's not going to be perfect. There's going to be things that I have to sacrifice, whether it's whether I'm sacrificing a little bit of profit to get into it, or I'm sacrificing time of preparing this product to list. I know that no matter what happens, this is going to give me the experience to then improve for my next product, or even for building on the product itself. So I've found my first product, guys. Now, I never know, maybe it turns out I've missed something and I can't sell the product. Either way, guys, I'm just getting really used to now researching products and getting more used to Amazon FBA as a business model. And it's been so much fun doing product research, just knowing that I'm this close away. And if you saw my update video last time, I said it feels like I'm this close, and I think I was right, because I've found a product. I've been talking to Johnny Bradley. He's the mentor. He's my kind of teacher through all of this. He created the course I took to learn all of this. And if you guys want to get into Amazon FBA, or you've been researching on YouTube videos, then guys, I would really suggest taking a course. I don't think you can get through Amazon FBA without taking a course. You definitely can, of course you can. There's just too many mistakes you'll make, because there's so many little things like barcodes, like applying your logo on packaging, like negotiating, like business banks. There's just too many things. So when I finally took action from Johnny's course, I just knew that this was going to be just the most amazing thing to start off my life as an entrepreneur, and something that can finance my freelance, the brand identity design business. So, it's amazing to get to this point after pretty much a month of product research, because in a couple of days I had to renew my web app, and I've just cancelled that plan because I don't obviously need it now anymore. And I know there are other ways I can do product research too. So guys, make sure to leave a comment. Where are you in your Amazon FBA process? And if you are anywhere before where I am now, then I am more than happy to help you, because I've been through that, and I only want to, I genuinely only want to help you with things that I've already done. So I can't give you life advice. I'm 16. Okay, so if you need Amazon FBA advice on product research, I can give you that now, because I've done it and I've found a product. If you need Amazon FBA advice on setting up a limited company, I've done it and I can help you with that. So feel free to leave a comment where you are in your process, and you can even reach out via email or through my Instagram. And if you need any more personal help, I am more than happy to help you out, guys. So I'm just going to end this video off here. Sorry, I found my product. I'm going to be doing more videos in the future about the progression of my journey with this new product and how I'm going to go about launching it, and also some product research tips for you guys. Just some other videos that can really help you out get to where I am now if you haven't reached this stage yet. So I'm gonna face so much failure during this. I'm gonna mess up so much. Maybe I absolutely screw up this product. It is okay, guys. Life is about failure, especially in the journey of entrepreneurship. So I'm really looking forward to it, and I'm so happy. And I hope you guys are enjoying following along with me in this process. And I'm very grateful once again that you are subscribed to the channel and you are following on with my life journey. So let's do this. Let's go. Let's take action, guys. Let's crush this week. I know you can do it. If I can do it, then anyone can do it, because I'm 16, you know, I'm no better than anyone in the world, okay? So you can do it. If you're stuck product research right now, if you're stuck in the process, can't find any products, keep going. That is all I can tell you, guys. So I'll catch you in my next video.